Hello, everybody. It's Mr. LaVine, and a happy 2023 Elk Grove Charter School. Wow, we've already kicked off. We're already halfway, almost done with January. Hope everybody had an amazing winter break, and then we've already had our first holiday for 2023, and we got a couple more coming up right around the corner. So I just wanted to reach out with a couple important announcements as we finish off January and go into February. So first off, we have on January 25th, we have our first semester awards night. So if you received an invite in the mail and that your student is receiving an award, we would love to see you at District 56. That's over by the Aquatic Center. Same place where we held the Falcons family dinner. That is on January 25th. So please check your mail. Hopefully you got an invite if your student is receiving an award, an academic award. As I move into February, on February 1st, we have our advisory council, first one for this calendar year. This one's going to be important because there's two things we're talking about. One is our comprehensive safe school plan, and the last is finalizing our WASC, our accreditation report. So we're going to have some presentation about what we've discovered as a school, get our last little bit of input from our community as we prepare for our visit in the end of March. The report's due February 6th. So backing up, February 1st is our advisory council. On February 10th, Mrs. Valenzuela is doing a FAFSA workshop for seniors. So if you're a senior, graduating senior, thinking about going off to college, please complete your FAFSA. It's actually state law now that all seniors complete their FAFSA. Mrs. Valenzuela is here to help, and so she has that workshop on February the 10th. Have a couple college tours coming up. These are exciting. On February 16th, going to Chico State. And then on March the 9th, going to CSU Monterey Bay. That'll be exciting. More tours to come. So if you can't make these ones or they're all filled up before you call in, just rest assured we're doing more college tours. We want to get our students on college campuses and get them excited about potentially going off to school. On February 26th, we have the PSAT for 9th and 10th graders. All right, all classes will be canceled that day. It'll only be PSAT testing for 9th and 10th graders on February the 22nd. Second half of the day, we have to do the PSAT from like 8 o'clock to noon, and then we'll be doing teacher in-service that day as well. So mark your calendars, February 22nd, PSAT for 9th and 10th, all other classes canceled. And I think that's all I have right now, other than just want to let everybody know how much I appreciate you, how much I love the Elk Grove Charter School. I love all of you. So grateful to work here and to work with this great group of teachers and to have this amazing group of students we have at our school. Absolutely love it here. And as always, go Falcons.